Hi everyone, myself Pavani Padmasree, working as English and Life Skill Trainer in APS WRS Junior College, Polsanpalli, Bimodol Mandal, West Godavari District, under Naipunya Vikasam Project and SchoolNet India Limited, which was taken up by Andhra Pradesh State Skill Development Corporation. Now I am going to say the topic Phrases for expressing opinion. Phrases for expressing opinion is important when you are participating in conversation, debate, or discussion. It is also used when you are writing a report, evaluation, or a proposal. Here are various phrases to express our opinion in English. They are informal and formal phrases. Informal phrases are generally used for language tests like IELTS and TOEFL. These phrases are too informal because they are too personal. Now let us see some informal phrases. The first phrase, in my opinion. Example, in my opinion, the main responsibility of media is to always speak truth. The second phrase, I believe that. Example, I believe that God is everywhere. Third phrase, in my mind. Example, in my mind, nobody should pay interest to any medical care. These are the informal phrases which we use to express opinion with our friends, relatives, and family members. Now let us see some formal phrases with that. The first phrase, it would seem that. This phrase is used when you want to support the opinion with evidence. Example, it would seem that children learn the best when they are given comfortable. The second phrase, it could be argued that. This phrase is used when you want to challenge an existing opinion. Let us see the example. It could be argued that quality costs money. The next phrase, this suggests that. This phrase is used when you don't want to fully commit to an opinion. You are giving yourself some distance. Example, this suggests that people who speak more than one language have more job opportunities. The next phrase, this proves that. This phrase is used when you are confident with your opinion. This phrase is quite strong. Example, this proves that the best way to lose weight is to balance diet and by exercise program. The next phrase is, this supports the idea that. This phrase is used when you are supporting an opinion that you have already made. Example, this supports the idea that successful English learners look for opportunities to use English. These are some of the phrases we use to express our opinion. Thank you for giving me this opportunity. Thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe, like, comment and share it.